Hey, this is Kezar with Burntown Fitness, and it's actually sunny here today in Washington, uh, where there's always rain here like most of the year. But so we use MyZone at Burntown Fitness, and a lot of times the belts will get, you sweat in those belts and they just get smelly, and people are always asking like, how do you clean them? Sometimes just running it through water doesn't do it, especially if it's in the house. Uh, so these are what the MyZone belts look like, you know. So what I do um, when there is sun, I mean, you can do a little bit of soap and water, wash it really good, and then air dry it in the house. There's also these things called Damp Rid. You can buy them at Home Depot or on Amazon. So Damp Rid gets rid of moisture and mold out of your house, and so a lot of times, like in the laundry room, you can put a Damp Rid little bag or bucket that they have, and just make sure your stuff is hung in the same area, and it'll get rid of any of the mildew smell. But one of the best like sanitizers and disinfectants that make things smell good is the sun. So when it's sunny and you get some warmth coming out in an area in the house where the sun's beating down, just just wash your belts in like warm water, and then just come out to an area like this right here, and just let them bake in the sun for a few hours. When they're dry, because the sun will just take all the smell and just disinfect it naturally. So it's like the best cleaner when it comes to this types of stuff. So segue, if you bought any new weights and you've cleaned them with, just with some, whatever they say online, there's always like, you can use like baking soda and water and just different solutions that are natural. But after you clean them and wipe them down, just let your weights bake in the sun too, and it'll get rid of that smell, that petroleum smell. Because most of the weights come from China, and so they're just made in the probably same factory, but you get that smell, and so the sun also gets rid of that too. So natural disinfectant makes things smell good, and it'll clean it the best. All right, take care. Bye.